If your iPhone shows the warning charging not available, liquid has been detected in the lightning connector. It means your iPhone's charging port or accessory has moisture or liquid in it. So here is how to fix it. First of all, disconnect your charging cable or accessory right away. Don't try to charge again until it is dry. Then let it dry naturally. Place your iPhone upright, leave it in a dry. You can gentle tap the phone to help any liquid drain out as well. Also, inspect the lightning cable or charger for moisture. After done all this, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side plus volume down button, slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds and power on again. Sometimes the message may linger even if your phone is dry, so make sure to restart your iPhone. If issue repeats with no water exposure, the charging port might be faulty. Visit Apple support or a certified technician. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.